Welcome back. I'll be looking at another part of integration. We haven't done the basics of integration. Now we're looking at indefinite integration. How do we find indefinite integration involving an arbitrary constant? That is our focus for this class. This example I gave you was from the previous class. Okay, with the knowledge or our idea of integration, I just want us to go back and refreshing our memory on with this example on integration. So given the y dx equals to this 6x plus 2x minus 3 minus 3x half, we are finding y. Okay, so finding y in our integration, we'll say this is 6x1 plus 1, which is 2. Then we'll divide this by 2 plus 2x minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 gives us minus 2 minus 3x into half plus 1 will give us 3 over 2. So this is divided by 3 over 2. This is what we established in the first class with regards to integration. So we have this as 6x squared over 2 plus 2x minus 2 over minus 2 minus 3x raised to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. So moving further to solve this, you have 6x squared divided by 2 will give you what? 3 squared. Then this divide this gives us what? Minus x raised to the power of minus 2. Then 3 over 2, 3 divided by 3 over 2 will give us, this is what we have here. We have the 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. That gives us negative 2x into 3 over 2. So this can also be written as 3x squared minus 1 over x squared minus 2x into 3 over 2. Please don't forget your function, which is c. So this always comes last in your integration, which is, I told you earlier that this is the difference between integration and differentiation. This is the normal way of solving integration. Then we are going to, like what I said today, we are looking at indefinite integration. So we can use the symbol. This is our symbol for integration. This is how it is. So when you see the symbol, you should know you are integrating. It represents the process of integration. So watch out for the symbol. So you can see it here. We have the symbol here. Okay, so integrating this just like I did in the first, it will become function of x plus our c, which is a constant. Okay, so you can write the process of integrating x raised to the power of n as follows. We have done this in the previous class, which we have. This is our integration. It means integrate. When you say the sign of take notice, it means integrate. X raised to the power of n dx equals to x raised to the power of n plus 1. We have done this into n plus 1. Then plus our c, which is 1, equals to note n is not equal to negative 1. So this is, I have this table here. If you have this table here, it's telling us that when you see the sign, like I earlier stated, it means what? Integrate. Okay? And this is what? Expression. This is our expression that you are going to integrate. And when you see this is the x, means with respect to what? X. So when you say equation like this, it means integrate x raised to the power of n with respect to what? X. It's as simple as that. If it is t that is there, with respect to t, whatever you're giving there, it is what you are integrating your expression with respect to. So let's take a look at a few examples here. The first one is integrate. This is our integration sign. And this is the expression we are integrating with respect to what? X. Okay, so that is what we are integrating. So I have integral x into 1 over 2 plus 2x cubed dx. I hope you are okay with that. So we have to integrate it separately, like I did in the first part of our integration. So integration this function, this expression, I have x 1 over 2 plus 1, okay, which is 3 over 2. So divide this by 3 over 2 plus we have 2x3 plus 1, which is 4, so divided by 4. So this gives us 3x into, how does x into 3 over 2 by 3 over 2 plus 2x raised to the power of 4 into 4. So this gives us 1 over 2. This is what we have here. So if you multiply this, I think this gives us 2 over 3x raised to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2x raised to the power of 4, and your c, the constant, should be included. So this is our integration of this function with respect to what? X. I hope you are okay with that. So let's move on to the next example on that, which is this integrating this. So integral x minus 3 over 2 plus 2 the x. So we are integrating with respect to what? X. So here we have x into minus 3 over 2 plus 1. I told you when you have this, automatically it becomes what? Our x. Okay, so unlike our differentiation that it becomes 0, but with integration, it becomes whatever. So with that, it becomes, I'll add my 2 to that. Okay, so you don't discard the 2, you have your 2 of x with respect to x then. Okay, therefore differentiation will become 0. Then what I have here, x minus 3 over 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1 over 2. Take note, we have to divide by minus 1 over 2. Please take it one step at a time so you don't forget where you are to divide your powers. Okay, so we have plus 2x, and take note of my c constant. Okay, so I have minus 2x into what? Minus half plus 2x plus c. This gives us minus 2 over x raised to the power of half plus 2x plus c. This can also be written as minus 2 over root x plus 2x plus c. So we have integrated this expression. Next, we are integrating this function with respect to dx, expression with respect to dx. I have 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 plus q squared with respect to what? X only. So take note of that. I have 3 x2 plus 1, which is 3, divided by 3 plus b x minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus our q squared, which gives us q squared x plus c. Okay, so this we have 3x raised to the power of what? 3 divided by 3 plus b x raised to the power of minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus q squared x plus c. Then we have x cubed because 3 cancels out minus p x raised to the power of minus 1 plus q squared x plus c. So we have integrated our function. Please try as much as you can. So solve more examples on integration. Okay, so If you have any, and then keep trying, practice more. And we say practice makes. So we have other some examples on integration. Integrating the expression with respect to dx and also integrating this with respect to dx. Okay, I just want to take some examples that might seem so a bit difficult. So having this, I'll have 2 over x cubed minus 3 with x, which is the x. So we integrate separately. This can give me 2x raised to the power of minus 3 minus 3 x raised to the power of half dx. So we have 2x minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2, divided by minus 2 minus 3 x raised to the power of half plus 1, which is 3 over 2, divided by 3 over 2. Here cancels out, I have x minus 2 minus 3 divided by 3 over 2 will give us 2. That's 2x raised to the power of 3 over 2. So this is this, which can also be written as 1 over x squared minus 2x into 3 over 2. So the next question here, 2x squared plus with x plus 5 divided by, this include your c, I forgot my c again, include your c to your answer, plus 5 over x squared with respect to what? X. So open this bracket, I have 4x squared plus with x will give us what? X raised to the power of half plus 5 divided by x squared. So we have this guy gives us 4x raised to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3 divided by 3 plus, I will separate this x half over x squared plus 5 over x squared. Okay, so let me add my c to this before yes, the final part. So this gives me 4x raised to the power of 3 by 3 plus so I have this as x half multiplied by x raised to the power of minus 2. I'm moving this up plus 5x raised to the power of minus 2 plus c. We have 4x cubed over 3 plus x half plus minus 2 gives us minus 3 over 2 for that. 1 over 2. Yeah, so we have plus 5x minus 2 plus c. Integration this gives us x raised to the power of minus 3 over 2 plus 1. Minus 3 over 2 plus 1 should give us minus 1 over 2. We divide this by minus 1 over 2 plus 5. X into minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1 plus 6. We have 4x cubed over 3 plus x into minus 1 over 2 divided by minus 1 over 2 plus minus 5. This becomes minus 5. Then we have 5x minus 1 over minus 1 plus 6. We have 4x cubed over 3 minus 1 over 2 x minus half minus 5x minus 1 plus 6. So this is the answer to this expression. This can be simplified to 4x cubed over 3 minus 2x minus 1 over 2 minus 5x minus 1 plus c. Okay, that's the final answer to that because you have to divide this by